We specialize in providing reliable, ISO 10289 feet testing solutions for corrosion testing of metallic and other inorganic coatings on metallic substrates. ISO 10289 is the international standard for assessing the corrosion resistance of coated metals, ensuring product durability and performance in demanding environments. CDG Inspection is trusted worldwide for its state-of-the-art facilities, expert technicians. Our ISO 10289 testing services cater to industries like automotive, aerospace, construction, and more. Let's take a closer look at our rigorous testing process, designed to meet the highest standards of accuracy. Step 1 is precise sample preparation, where we clean and measure metallic substrates to ensure accurate results. Next, samples undergo controlled exposure testing in our cutting-edge chambers to simulate real-world conditions. We then evaluate corrosion resistance based on ISO 10289 guidelines, using advanced imaging and analysis tools. CDG Inspection employs cutting-edge technology and industry best practices to deliver results you can trust. Our team of certified experts ensures every test meets the specific requirements of ISO 10289. With our global presence, CDG Inspection ensures seamless testing services for clients anywhere in the world. ISO 10289 testing provides critical insights, helping you improve product quality, longevity, and reduce costs. Companies across industries trust us to deliver exceptional results that exceed their expectations. Ready to ensure the durability of your metallic products? Visit us at www.cdginspection.com to make an inquiry today. CDG Inspection, setting the benchmark in ISO 10289 testing. Partner with us to safeguard your product's future.